So outside this single bay garage door here, we can tell that this column is really water damaged. Just starting to rain right now, but I'm a little bit concerned that we're getting a lot of water dripping down from the roof right here, and it's got nowhere to go. So it backs up in the garage and comes in through here, and that's why we have a lot of water damage right here. We can tell by the water stains here, water damage here, some of the erosion to the concrete in this area is telling me that this gets a lot of water. So I'd get this out of here. So we have an active drip on the unit for upstairs. This is actively dripping into the secondary condensate line. You can see that water is making its way over to the secondary drain there. Heading out that side of the house. So let's see if we can see it outside. So this is our condensate drip on the outside. You can see all the moisture coming down from the secondary drip pan. That opening right there, which goes to the other side, starting to rust out, so we need to get this fixed ASAP. So this top course of block is rather loose in a few spots. You probably want to tighten it up, make sure that nothing tips over and falls on somebody's head. Fan's got a little bit of noise associated with it. It's going to be the bedroom off here to the side. Staircase, take a right into that bedroom. I don't know how long this house has been vacant, but this doesn't look good. Refrigerate immediately. Even the tag is like all sun damaged. I can't even tell what day it was delivered or sent. So just a little tip, if you're out buying a house and you've got rock pushed up all the way to the bottom of your stucco, that's not a good thing. It's probably on purpose because somebody is probably trying to hide a horizontal crack. That's usually what happens anyway. They just try to cover something up. Now, being that your foundation is one of the most important systems of your house, it's kind of a big deal, and this scares me a little bit. If they're going to cover this up, what else are they covering up? What else this brings in? Termites. So when you see termite tubes next to something like this, they can get behind that rock, up in the wall, and you would never know it until they're hanging from your ceiling on the inside. I'm not sure if you can see that, but that's a pretty big crack back in there. It extends all the way down to the corner. So yeah, I guess if I was selling my house, I'd probably try and cover that up too. This is a little bit hard to see because of the shade in the pictures, but this is settled quite a bit. You can see this gap forming here because this is uneven, likely due to tree roots coming from under there, pushing up. In a couple different spots, you can actually see it's kind of leveled or beveled right here in the middle, pushing back that way.